Hello, customer service. How may I help you today?
I would like make a complaint.
May I know what the nature of the complaint is, sir?
My internet connection has not worked properly for 2 days. It keeps connected and disconnect. And when it's connected, the speed are very low.
I'm sorry to hear that. Call you. Please tell me your client number. I need it so that I can check if there is any problem with the network in your area.
Sure, my client number is 544B2W3YG.
Thank you. Our system shows that there is no any issue or any mention in your area. If you try to restart the router, sir,
Of course, I have. What kind of question is that?
I understand that you're upset, sir. I'm just trying to comprehend the issue. I'm afraid that I could not tell it from here now, but it will out technician to come into your house to check it.
Okay, that will work for me.
Will be there be someone in your house get between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. Tomorrow our technician will get to your house around that time.
Yes, my wife will be home.
Alright, is there anything else do you would like me to help?
No, thank you. Enjoy.
Very well, then we do our best to get your internet connection back to normal.